Right so. Come on, everyone. Heave.
Ah, magnificent. They don't know their own strength. Finally, they reach the top and...
Ooh, I got you.
Oh, that was close, RTÉjr.
Great work, everyone.
Woohoo! He's almost as big as me.
He'll be even bigger when we put his head on. Perfect.
There we go. Ah, lovely.
Oh, it's Miss Coach, out for her morning exercise.
Well, hi, everyone. That's a great snowman you built.
Hi, Miss Coach. It was quite a workout getting in here.
Oh, my.
Oh, dear.
Stop that snowball!
Oh. Hey, wait for us.
Oh, no. It's a runaway snowman.
Heel, Olympus, heel.
Don't worry. We'll get you back together.
Wow! Uh-oh. Are you okay, Miss Coach?
Oh, yes. Thanks, Maya.
Great galleons. Where did this gigantic ball of snow come from?
It's huge. It was us. We made a snowball and it rolled off the hill.
And got bigger along the way.
Wow! We were going to make a snowman.
Maybe it can still be a snowman.
He's looking better already. This will make a cute button.
Very smart-looking buttons. And we're all done. Only one thing left to do.
How can we lift a big head up there?
Don't worry, I'm coming.
Oh, no. Not another one.
Watch out below. Oh.